In the heart of Costa Rica's verdant rainforest, nestled amidst the lush foliage of Santa Teresa, two striking modern homes emerge, seemingly suspended between earth and sky. These are the Joya Villas, a testament to Studio Saxe's innovative approach to tropical architecture. The villas are a symphony of contrasting elements, robust steel frames, echoing the language of modernist masters, juxtaposed with the warmth of handcrafted wooden screens and floors. This fusion of industrial strength and organic elegance defines the essence of these unique residences. The design philosophy revolves around a harmonious dialogue with the surrounding environment. Large, expansive openings punctuate the structure, blurring the lines between indoors and out. Sunlight streams through, illuminating the interiors while connecting inhabitants to the vibrant tapestry of the rainforest. Cantilevered balconies, supported by the dramatic steel frames, hover above social spaces, creating a sense of fluidity and inviting the outdoors in. A delicate timber staircase, seemingly defying gravity, ascends through the open spaces, suspended by slender steel cables. This architectural flourish adds a touch of ethereal lightness to the otherwise robust structure. The villas are not merely buildings, they are an invitation to experience the magic of the rainforest firsthand. Joya Villas occupies a prime position on a hilltop, offering breathtaking panoramas of the Pacific Ocean. Renowned for its world-class surf breaks, Santa Teresa draws surfers from around the globe. Residents of the villas can indulge in the thrill of the waves from the comfort of their private infinity pools, or simply stroll down to the beach to soak in the sun and the vibrant surf culture. Architect Benjamin Garcia Saxe envisioned Joya Villas as a pioneering example of a new wave of tropical architecture. It is a design that is deeply rooted in its context, responding to the specificities of the site, climate, and local traditions. While embracing modern construction techniques, the villas also pay homage to the rich heritage of Central American craftsmanship. The use of raw materials like steel and concrete is balanced with the meticulous incorporation of natural elements, creating a harmonious blend of industrial strength and organic warmth. This thoughtful integration of materials not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the villas, but also ensures their longevity and resilience in the tropical climate. Joya Villas is more than just a collection of rental properties. It is an architectural statement, a testament to the power of design to enhance the human experience. The villas are designed to inspire moments of relaxation, reflection, and a deeper connection with the natural world. They embody a philosophy of living in harmony with the environment, celebrating the beauty of the rainforest while offering a luxurious and unforgettable stay for those fortunate enough to experience them. In essence, Joya Villas represents a new chapter in the evolution of tropical architecture. It is a bold and innovative design that seamlessly blends modern aesthetics with traditional craftsmanship, creating a truly unique and unforgettable experience for its inhabitants.